What if you could build an online business that runs almost entirely on autopilot, without ever showing your face, without any experience, and using AI tools that you can start today for free? In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact 7-day plan to launch a faceless AI business from scratch. Stick around, because step 4 is where most people quit, and it's the easiest one. This is not about getting rich overnight. This is about building a simple system, one offer, one traffic source, and one AI workflow. Here's the truth. Most beginners don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they try to do too many things at once. They want a website, a product, a logo, a funnel, a course, and a full brand before they even start. But for your first AI business, you only need 4 simple pieces. The whole system, Midias, one audience, one simple product, one storefront, and one content engine. That's it. You don't need a complicated business. You need a small system to make your first sale, then you improve it step by step. You don't need to be a tech genius or a millionaire to start. In 2026, AI tools do the hard work. Writing, designing, even creating videos. Your only job is to put the pieces together. This is a realistic plan, not a get-rich-quick promise. Let's break it down, one day at a time. Day 1, pick your money model. First, choose how you'll make money. The 3 easiest for beginners are: 1. Digital products, like template or ebooks. 2. Affiliate marketing for AI tools. And 3. Offering a simple AI service like content creation. Pick just one to start. Don't overthink it. Day 2. Choose a niche you can win. Go narrow. Instead of AI for everyone, pick something like AI tools for small business owners or AI for busy freelancers. A specific audience trusts you faster and buys faster. Day 3. Build your product with AI. This is where AI shines. Use ChatGPT to outline and write your product, an ebook, a template pack, a mini course. Then use Canva to design it in minutes. What used to take weeks now takes an afternoon. For example, your first product could be a simple ChatGPT prompt pack for small business owners. It could include prompts for writing emails, creating social media posts, generating product descriptions, and planning weekly content. You could sell it for $9 to $19 as a beginner-friendly digital product. Let me show you how simple this can be. You can ask ChatGPT to create a Digiduct idea for a faceless AI business. In seconds, it can give you the product name, the target audience, what to include, and even a simple price. Now you don't have to start from a blank page. Create a simple digital product idea for beginners who want to start a faceless AI business. Give me the product name, target audience, what is included, and a simple price. Don't start from zero. Use AI to build the first draft. Day 4, set up a simple storefront. You don't need a fancy website. Free platforms like Gumroad or PayHip let you upload your product and start selling in under an hour. This is the step most people are scared of, but it's literally drag, drop, and publish. One big mistake beginners make is trying to look perfect before they launch. Don't wait for a perfect brand, a perfect website, or a perfect product. Your first version only needs to be clear, useful, and easy to buy. Day 5, create content that sells. Now bring in traffic. Make short, faceless videos using AI, a script from ChatGPT, a voice from 11 Labs, and visuals from stock or AI tools. Post on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. One long video cut into 3 shorts. Your content has one job: send the right people to your simple offer. A short video gets attention. Your long video builds trust. Your storefront makes the sale. That's why you don't need millions of views. You need the right viewers. Day 6, automate the boring parts. Use AI schedulers to post automatically and set up email autoresponders to follow up with buyers. Now your business works while you sleep. Day 7, launch and improve. On day 7, go live. Then watch what works. Double down on the content that gets viewed and improve what doesn't. Your first sale might be small, but it proves the system works. So here's the simple formula. Choose one audience, create one AI-powered product, publish it on a simple storefront, and use faceless content to drive traffic. So if you want to start today, keep it simple. Pick one audience, create one small AI-powered product, put it on one simple storefront. If this plan helped, subscribe. I post step-by-step AI business guides every week, and I don't want you to miss the next one. And if you want to know exactly which AI tools I'd use to run all of this on autopilot, watch this video next. I'll walk you through my complete toolkit.